Hey guys, it's Sri Life here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Minecraft server on AWS. So let's get started. First things first, log on to your AWS account. Then we're going to go up to S3. I'm going to create an S3 bucket. So I'm going to go to S3, create bucket. S3 has universal namespace, so you're gonna have to create a bucket. I'm gonna call it Minecraft server Sri Life. Hopefully this is not taken. I'm just gonna use this region, block all public access, the defaults, and press create bucket. Once that's set up, I'm gonna go inside the bucket. I'm going to upload, actually I'm going to create a file. Let's keep this organized a bit. Call it setup. So I'm going to create a folder, and then inside setup, I want to upload some files. So first, we'll start with uploading our Forge. So it's the Forge installer that's found on forge.com. So let me add it first. I think it should be here. So I'm going to be running Forge 1.12.2. This works with any version of Forge, but this is the one I'm going to be running. Want to upload that. So give that a second. Once that's done, you want to collect all the mods that you wanted. You can use as much or as little as you want. And you can put them in a folder. So in my Minecraft folder here, I have all these mods. And basically take all the mods that you want and put them in a folder, and make sure the version of the mod corresponds with the Forge version. And yeah, so put those in a file and then zip them up, and then I'm gonna add those to this S3 bucket as well. So let me add that. I should have it somewhere here. So this is just a zip version. This is just a file of all the mods I want. And this is the zip version of it. So I just compressed it. I'm gonna upload that. Let's give that a second. Now this mod zip is uploaded to S3. That took a little bit of time, but it's okay. Now I want to upload my minecraft.service file. What's in the minecraft.service file, it's in the GitHub repository I have in the description. So basically it has your unit and your service, and all you'll have to change is in this section here, just enter the Minecraft Forge version of the installer jar. So let me do that here. If you want to see it, what it looks like, I can just pull it up in my terminal. So let's see, cd stop games. So if I just do cat so right here it shows you that I have the unit and service, and here I have my Minecraft Forge installer. So it's the same as this right here, this this same string, just attach it to your Forge installer version. So once you have that .service file, you can create that .service file in in any text editor. I use Visual Studio Code, but let me upload that file now. So yeah, just this Minecraft.service. Make sure it's a .service file, and then I'm gonna add that to that S3 bucket. That was pretty quick. Now I have all that in my S3 bucket. Now we are going to go into our IAM roles. So let me just open that up here. I want to create a new policy. So create policy, and I want to enter some JSON. Actually, let me open that S3 bucket because I still need the name of it. So I'm just going to open S3 in a new tab. Okay, I'm just going to copy that name over because actually before I copy it over, I'm going to go into the GitHub under IAM policies. I'm going to copy this JSON. Then I'm going to paste it here. And then where it says bucket name, I'm going to replace it with the bucket name I created. So let's see. Oops. Okay. There and right there. Just make sure you have spaces. And then next, you can put a tag if you want. I'm just going to skip that for now. Now you want to give a name to your policy. I'm going to call it Minecraft S3 bucket. You can add a description if you want. What's important here is we can see that it's giving us this policy is giving us read, list, write permissions for S3, which is exactly what we want. Create that. Now I want to create a role. Create role. I want to create a role for a EC2 instance. I'm going to attach this Minecraft bucket policy. Press next. I need a name for my role. I'm going to call it Minecraft EC2 role. Something simple. And as you can see, we have that JSON. This is a little different from what we added, but we have the policy attached, as you can see there, and create role. And we're going to be using this role in our EC2 instance. And yes, let's go to our EC2 instance now. So now I want to launch an EC2 instance. I'll put a name, Minecraft modded server. Okay, so for the distro, I'll just use a simple Amazon Linux instance types. I suggest you don't use a free tier because Minecraft does take up a lot of RAM. For a minimum, I'd suggest going with the T2 medium. That's what I'm going to go with today. Key pairs, you can add these if you want. If you want to SSH into your EC2 instance, I'm not going to, so I don't need it. Now, let's go into the network settings. I want to press edit, and here I want to add some new items. I'm going to keep this the same, but when it comes to these security groups, I'm going to add a new security group rule, and then I want to add a custom TCP. I want this to be, I want to open up port 255.25565-25565. This is the port for Minecraft. I want it to be accessed by anywhere. And then I want to do this for the UDP protocol as well. Open up these ports, access from anywhere. Awesome. So after this, I'm gonna just press advanced. I'm going to add that IAM role we made. So we have access to our S3 bucket, and the rest I can keep the same. Now I'm going to launch this instance. This will take a bit. So let's see. I'll give it some time to load. It's just pending now. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, we're back. And as you can see, we have this EC2 instance running now. Now we're gonna actually go on into it and install all the dependencies we need. So select it, press connect again. And as you can see, we got a good connection. Now I'm gonna be running a bunch of scripts to install all the dependencies we need. Just a note that all the scripts that I am going to be typing out, they are located in the GitHub. So if you go to my GitHub, I have posted below under EC2 commands, they're all here. So just in case you guys get confused. Now let's get to it. So first and foremost, I'm gonna allow batch commands. So let me just run this ben.ebn bash. Okay, and now I'm going to install Java 18 on my VM. Install Java 1.0.8.0. Oops, spelled that wrong. Yum. So now it's going to go ahead and install Java for me. This might take a few seconds. So we can get in a sec there. Okay, we're back. So I have Java 18 installed. You should get this successful message saying complete. Now let me make a new directory called Minecraft. So sudo make dir. Let's call it Minecraft. And then I'm going to crown into that as the code right here. Press that. Let me cd into it. Minecraft. Okay, now it's going to be the interesting part. Now I'm going to be moving some of my items from S3 into this EC2 instance, and here I want to paste this code here. And as you can see, if you're using a different version of Forge, make sure you're updating these lines here. Also, the bucket name needs to be updated, so I'm going to add that as well here. So let me put that here. So I think I called mine Minecraft-server-3-life. I believe. Let me double check here. Minecraft server. You ought to definitely make sure. Well, now let me run this command. So if I press enter, it transferred everything over. So this is enabled by the AMI roles. Now let me install that Forge here with this command here. Just installing it on the server. Again, change the Forge version for whatever version you're using. Press enter. Again, all this commands are in the GitHub, and you can just follow it as I do it. Now I want to add a EULA text file, and then make sure that the EULA values turn to true, and this is to follow the Minecraft protocol. I think I have it here. You can just copy this entire line, paste it, and press enter. That should be good there. And then now I'm going to copy this line. I want to transfer over the mods.zip. And I want to change the bucket name to minecraft.server.life. Enter. So that should be unzipping my, oh sorry, it's just bringing over my modded zip file. Now I want to unzip it, so let me unzip that. .zip. Okay, so those are all my mods. I have a bunch of them there. Now I want to move my minecraft.service file. So copy that command over from the GitHub. And again, change the bucket name. I'm gonna change it to the one I had. So just Minecraft server.life. I believe that should be good. And that brought it over to this EC2 instance. Okay, almost done. I'm gonna run this daemon reload command here. So sudo system ctl and now I'm gonna start the server, but it's gonna be a false start. So let me just, you'll see what I mean. So it's redirecting me to this minecraft.service. So it's basically an error that pops up because it's not letting me start the server because I don't have a screen installed. So I'm gonna install a screen. So let me do that real quick. Yum install, yum install screen. So I'll do that. Yep, got the latest version already, cool. And now let me try initializing it now. Just check what I have here. So I'm just pressing this ls command. I have all the items I need here. So let me just initialize it right here. So we go screen -s MC server. Okay, that's cool. And then now I'm going to actually start my server. So this is a command that's also in the GitHub. It's also in the Minecraft server docs as well. This is the end. So this is where the server actually gets started. You might want to change your Minecraft server to the version you're using. As you can see here, I'm using 1.12.2. This is what's located in my EC2 instance. So whatever server version is installed on yours, it's going to be depending on the Forge version. So just replace that value there and then start it. And this should generate the world for me, and it'll say right here it's spawning the area. And I can now switch over. Let me copy my IP address here, my public IP address. And then it says it's done. I'm gonna switch over to Minecraft, multiplayer, add server, just call this AWS YouTube server. And then I'm gonna paste that IP address, that public IP address. I'm gonna put a dash 25565 and then done. And as you can see here, it's connected. And if I log in, Might take a bit here, and as you can see, I'm in the modded server, and on the right side here you can tell that I have a mini map that's not in vanilla. I think it's called a journey map mod. And if I press E, it has this inventory mod with Tinker's Construct. I have a bunch of mods on here with all the mods that I have here, and then some food mods for my girlfriend. But yeah, it's all there, and you can play as you want. And then if you can keep playing. If you stop the instance after you're done playing, and you restart it, it's gonna save all the things you did on it, like the houses you built. Also, I have some commands there in the GitHub to what you do. So when you're done playing, you want to stop your EC2 instance so you don't get charged money. And after you stop it, you can connect to it again. If you want to play again, you can CD to your Minecraft and just press this command again to start the server, and it'll start again. And make sure, if you don't have elastic IP addresses, which I don't right now, the IP address will change every time. So make sure that you are putting the correct IP address when you're joining to the server each time, if you don't have elastic IP addresses. If you do, you can just use the same public address, but if you don't, you gotta, every time you stop the server, you gotta and start it, you gotta use the most current IP address. So yeah, that was pretty much how to do it. I know that was a kind of lengthy process, but if you have any questions, please put it in the comment box below. I can help with whatever you need. And for some next steps, you can use spot instances to save some money on the EC2 instances. If you guys want me to show you how to do that, please put a comment. Also, you can, as I said, you can get rid of this and have a fixed IP address using elastic IP address. I can show you guys how to do that. There's a lot of kind of different things, like making whitelists and things of that nature. Just let me know if you're interested, and I'll try to do what I do best. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Make sure to check out the GitHub repository for further instructions, and have a great day. Bye bye.